Hey everybody, Mark here with another YouTube video from ULC. Happy New Year, guys. I hope you had a wonderful holiday and a wonderful New Year celebration. I know this year is a bit more difficult. I just taught some of my students about staycations where they had to stay in their city instead of traveling for the holidays. So I really hope, even with a very strange 2020, that you were able to have a very good holiday. But for this video today, I want to tell you about something that a lot of people do at the beginning of the year. And in English, we call it a resolution. Right here, this word, resolution. A resolution for us is a goal. It's a plan for how we want to make the next year better. So this new year, it's 2021. I want to think to myself, how can I make 2021 a good year for me, a good year for my family, a good year for my school, for my job, right? All of those can be part of our resolutions, okay? And whenever you hear people talking about resolutions, they're usually going to use these two words, right? The word want or the word have with our to, right? Want to and our have to. And I'm going to show you guys the two different styles I'm going to use when I explain my New Year's resolutions. So I'll start here on the top. First one, the one that we usually go to is our want. I want to, or I want to, right? Remember, in English, often the to, when we're speaking, becomes the short version, right? I want to. A lot of people want to do this. They want to do something for their health. Are you healthy, right? Are you strong, fit? Do you eat healthy food every day, every week? Some people don't. I know I sometimes don't. So a lot of people for the new year, they say, I want to get fit, right? Or I want to eat healthy food this year. And whenever I use the want, that's to show this is my desire, something I want to happen in this new year. If I get fit, I'll be healthier, I'll be able to do more, I'll have more energy. This is a great goal, get fit. Or this one again, the eat healthy food, under health. Maybe you want to cook healthy food, right? Maybe you want to run twice a week. All of these we're going to use I want to, and we're going to use, here it is, we're going to use our infinitive, okay? All of these with want to, we always use infinitive. Now the second type of resolution I'll show you is down here, the word have to. Again, the to, often in English, when we're speaking quickly, the to becomes a t, right? I have to do what? If I change from want to have to, what's the difference? Well, want to, again, is my desire, what I want to do, my goal. Have to is usually something that's more important. Right here, maybe you want to get fit just for your personal reasons. If I say I have to lose weight, I have to lose weight. If I do necessity, right? You'll see this often in your grammar books, necessity. I have to do my homework. I have to go to school. It's something where you cannot choose. It's not your choice. If you don't do this, if you don't lose weight, there's going to be some problem or negative result or consequence to your actions. So maybe here, this one, I could say the doctor said. The doctor said, right? It's like, you have to lose weight. So this could be my big resolution. I have no choice. I really have to lose weight, again, for my health, right? Maybe for work, you're not sure about your job. You think something is really important, a necessity or something important. I'll do very important. So maybe for my work, I say, I have to work harder. Uh-oh, maybe you're worried about your job, right? I have to work harder. Family, maybe something you have to change, right? I have to find more time to spend with my kids. Not just a want, but this is one where I think it's very important for my future self. I have to do it. Okay, so for you guys, my mission for you is think about your resolution. Is it a want or is it a have to, right? And if you can, tell us your resolution this year. I know a lot of you, do you want to learn English or do you have to learn English this year? For some of you, it might be a want, just a desire, something you think will be good. For some of you, maybe you're going to school. Maybe you want to get into university. Maybe you want to get that new job that requires English, right? Maybe you're there. You have to study English. And of course, for all of that, we'll be here to support you. Please comment below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.